Good morning, students. Today we will study about past tense. We have completed present tense. Past tense stand for the time which has gone. The simple past tense is a verb tense which is used to show a completed action, which means the action was completed in past time. Okay, and we use second form in simple past tense. Let's know more rules about simple past tense. When we add ed in the first form of the verb, it becomes a second form, and these verbs are known as regular verbs. And when the spelling gets changed while making the second form of the verb, these verbs are known as irregular form. As you can see, woke, when ed is added, that becomes second form. These are regular. But when we change the second form of speak, then the spelling got changed. Spoke. These are irregular verbs. Let's just discuss when we are using simple past tense, what should be the formation for different kind of sentences. If the sentence is affirmative, the structure will be subject plus second form of the verb and object. She read the news yesterday. So this specific time is telling that the action happened in the past. Although it is not mandatory to mention the specific time, but it is an indicator that the action happened in the past. If the sentence is negative, subject plus did not. Did is the second form of do, and then we are using first form of main verb. This is the helping verb and this is the main verb. Because it is did, that's why we are using first form of the main verb. She did not read the news. If the sentence is interrogative, did, the helping verb will be used in the beginning of the sentence. Did she read the news? The question mark will be used in the end because it is interrogative sentence. Now let's discuss what are the uses, where to use simple past tense. For any completed action in the past. I saw a movie yesterday. That's very easy. A series of completed action. When there is a series, first, second, third, fourth and so on actions. I finished work, walked to the beach and found a nice place to swim. Similarly, another example is mentioned. I arrived from the airport, one action. Checked into the hotel, second action, and met the other. So there is a series of action, and what we are using, second form, which means simple past tense. Another use is duration in the past. How? I lived in the Brazil for 2 years. That action started in the past and stopped in the past, but it continued for some period of time, for 2 years. Understood? Whenever you want to express habit in the past, I studied French when I was a child. I played the violin. Understood? So I hope simple past tense is clear, which is used to express any completed action, a series of completed actions, duration in the past, as well as to express any past habit. Let's go for past continuous tense. Continuous tense. That means the action was going on in the past at a specific moment. What will be the formation? Was, were and present participle, which means V1 plus ing is used when we use past continuous tense. Affirmative formation is mentioned. Subject plus was, were, helping verb. With singular subject we use was, and with plural were. You were reading the book when she called. So what action was going on? You were reading the book, and what was the interruption? When she called. So sometime Present past continuous tense is used to show any action which was happening at a time of interruption. Negative formation, you were not studying when she called. Interrogative, was she doing the work? Were you studying? What are the uses of past continuous tense? An action that was in progress in the past, the action that was going on in the past, he was singing. Interrupted action that we have discussed, I was watching TV when she called. So this action was going on during this interruption. आप कोई काम कर रहे थे and then suddenly something happened and your work was interrupted. When the phone rang, she was writing a letter. Understood? कि phone की वजह से ये जो काम हो रहा था, writing a letter, this was interrupted. Parallel action, कोई दो या दो से ज़्यादा काम साथ साथ हो रहे हो. I was studying while he was making dinner. So these two actions were going on parallel. Understood? I was studying, he was making dinner. When you want to express or describe anything in the past, when I walked into the office, several people were typing, some were talking, yelling, customers were waiting. So these were the actions going on in the past. So you are describing it, or you are describing any kind of event in the past that was going on. So you use past continuous tense. So formations you can have a look of, and past continuous tense is generally used to express the action which was going on in the past. Let's discuss past perfect tense. It is used to show an action that took place once or many times before another point in the past. क्या मतलब है इसका? It means completed action before any another action began. दो action हो रहे हैं, एक पहले हुआ और एक बाद में हुआ. But that action which happened earlier, we use past perfect tense. How? Let me show you. See, the patient had died before the doctor came. So there are two actions happening. But which action happened earlier? Patient died. So what we use? Had plus V3. This is the formation of past perfect tense. तो ये काम जो पहले हुआ इसके लिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया? Past perfect. और जो बाद में हुआ उसके लिए second form यानी simple past tense. As this rule is telling, the past perfect tense expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. कोई काम पहले हुआ, जैसे कि the sentence is, I went to the police station because I had lost my wallet. So this action happened earlier and this happened later on. This also shows that any action happened before a specific time. जैसे कि specific time यहाँ पे कौन सा है? By 2 p.m. all the employees had gone. This action happened. Employees had gone. But by what time? Specific time is mentioned by 2 p.m. So which formation is used? Had plus V3. Clear? When an action in the past became the cause of another action. It's also same. She was weeping because she had lost her bag. So why she was crying? So what was the cause? Because she had lost her bag. ये कारण था ना उसके रोने का. Just go through these formations. Affirmative sentence. She had written a letter. Had plus V3 is used. Had plus past participle. Negative. Had not. Sorry, यहाँ पे V3 will be added. Okay. She had not written a letter. Interrogative. Had will be used in the beginning. Helping verb. Had she written a letter? Had she not written a letter? Interrogative. Negative. Clear? So जब भी कोई दो काम हो रहे हों और जो काम पहले हुआ हो उसके लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. Go through the rules. Let's go for past perfect continuous tense. बेटा इसकी फॉर्मेशन होती है हैड बीन प्लस प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल यानी हैड बीन प्लस V1 ING. इसका यूज कहाँ होता है? It is used to show an action that started in the past, continued up to another point in the past. कोई एक काम शुरू हुआ पास्ट में और पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक चलता रहा. Duration before something in the past. कैसे? Let me show you. They had been talking for over an hour before Tony arrived. Duration before something in the past. It means this work was going on for a particular period of time before this action happened. टोनी आया उससे पहले क्या काम हो रहा था? 1 घंटे तक. This period of time they had been talking. Understood? So ये काम पास्ट में शुरू होता है और पर्टिकुलर पीरियड तक रहता है एंड देन फिनिश्ड. कॉज ऑफ समथिंग इन द पास्ट. बेटा ये पहले भी हमने डिस्कस किया कि पास्ट परफेक्ट में भी, बट इसमें और उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है? देखो, जेसन वॉज टायर्ड बिकॉज ही हैड बीन जॉगिंग. यहाँ पे ये शो कर रहा है दैट दिस वर्क वॉज गोइंग ऑन फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. वो काम कर रहा था तभी वो टायर्ड हो गया, बट उसमें वो काम हो चुका था. अंडरस्टूड? इट हैपेंड. It is showing that this work was going on for a particular period of time. Understood? So, past perfect continuous tense is used when any action started in the past and continued for a particular period of time and then finished in the past only. The formation will be of the sentence subject had been V1 ING and then object. And similarly, if the sentence is negative, had not been V1 ING, and if it is interrogative, had will be used in the beginning and then subject. Had he been teaching? Had he not been teaching? Understood? If you have any query, do ask and also do the assignment.